Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. So today we are going to start chapter number 5, Revolutionaries of India. So before starting the chapter, let me tell you who are called revolutionaries of India. The people who took up weapons to save our country from the clutches of the British are called revolutionaries. Now the lines given in your textbook, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है. After reciting these lines, the class teacher talked about the revolutionaries of India. Now, many known unknown martyrs struggled for freedom till death during the freedom struggle of India. After the revolt of 1857, many revolutionaries fought individually or they formed groups and declared revolt against the British Empire. People all over the country remember their stories till the date. Those brave men and women who revolted against the British government are known as the revolutionaries of India. Their activities were revolutionary. People from all walks of life, literate or illiterate, royal or ordinary, took part in this revolution. Revolutionary activities were carried out in varying degrees across India. Revolutionary activities were initiated by the first martyr Vasudev Balwant Phadke, who hailed from Maharashtra. Now, चिंगारी. मालिक तेरी रज़ा रहे और तू ही तू रहे, बाकी ना मैं रहूं ना मेरी आरज़ू रहे, जब तक है तन में जान रगों में लहू रहे, तेरा हो जिक्रा या तेरी ही जुस्तजू रहे. Written by Ram Prasad Bismil. Now, Vasudev Balwant Phadke. After the revolt of 1857, Vasudev Balwant Phadke was the first person to start revolution in India. Vasudev used to work in Pune, but he left the job due to the injustice caused by the British government. He vowed that neither he would apply tilak on forehead nor cut his hair till he did not free India from the clutches of the British. He prepared a secret troop of revolutionaries of Ramoshi tried equipped with weapon in the whole country. The aim of this troop was to protest the British government. Vasudev trained people to attack British camps, rob the government treasury, and methods to use guns. The British government was shocked with his revolutionary activities. Hence, it announced him wanted and a prize of rupees 4,000 to get him arrested anyhow. Now, things to know. Vasudev Phadke was arrested at 3 a.m. while he was asleep in a village in Hyderabad district. He was put into jail, but he fled from there by jumping over the wall. He was caught after a chase of 25 kilometers. He was tortured in the jail. He died in Eden prison in February 1883 CE as a result of his protest in the form of hunger strike. Now, the next one is Veer Savarkar. The original name of Veer Savarkar was Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. He was born on 28th May 1883 in Bhagur village of Nasik district, Maharashtra. Since childhood, he had revolutionary ideas. He started an institution called Mitra Mela, which was later known as Abhinav Bharat. The main objective of this institution was to free India from the British rule with the help of weapons and revolt. Veer Savarkar was the first person to create a bonfire of foreign clothes. He obtained scholarship from the Institute of Samji Krishna Verma and went to London for further studies. He also wrote a book called 1857, India's first freedom struggle, but it was banned before it could be published. He was associated with a revolutionary group called India House and hence was arrested in 1910. He was then sentenced to life imprisonment, that is, a term of 50 years, and was moved to cellular jail in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. A person imprisoned in that jail was considered as given the punishment of Kala Pani, that is, black water. Later, when his health became quite poor, the British kept him house arrested in Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra. Veer Savarkar died on 26 February 1966. Now the next one is Khudiram Bose. Khudiram Bose was born on 3rd December 1889 in Habibpur village of Midnapur district, Bengal. He lost his parents in childhood. A teacher named Satyan Babu brought him up and gave him lessons on revolution. Khudiram participated in non-corporation movement and also created bonfire of foreign clothes. He used to dive in the Ganga and drown the salt loaded in British ships. This was his way to break the unjust salt law laid by the British on Indians. On 30th April 1908, Khudiram Bose and Praful Chaki threw a bomb on the horse cart of Judge Kingsford with an intention to kill him. However, Kingsford survived the attack, and instead of him, the wife and daughter of lawyer Kennedy died. Now, student, for your knowledge, things to know. When being surrounded, Praful Chaki shoot himself before the police could arrest him. Khudiram Bose was captured and hanged. He became the youngest martyr to die at the age of 18 for the nation. Now the next one is Ram Prasad Bismil. Ram Prasad Bismil was born in Shahjahanpur in the United Province, Uttar Pradesh, in 1897 CE. He was the kingpin of the Kakori conspiracy, where the revolutionary hatched a plan to rob a train carrying the treasury, for which he was sentenced to death. Ram Prasad was one of the members who formed revolutionary organization Hindustan Republican Association. Bhagat Singh praised him as a great poet writer of Urdu and Hindi. Bismil was his pen name. He had translated the books Catherine from English and Bolshevikon ki Kartut from Bengali. His poems inspired patriotic favor among the Indians. दरो दीवार से हसरत से नज़र करते हैं, खुश रहो अहले वतन हम तो सफ़र करते हैं. Written by Bismil. Now student, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.